Let's make these panettone ice cream sandwiches.
These are so easy to make and utterly delicious. All we're going to do is make a semifreddo, which means half frozen in Italian, and is the OG no churn ice cream. I'm going to whisk up some cream with some vanilla and a little bit of almond extract using my Wilfer Smooth Mix hand mixer. And then we're going to add 2 whole eggs along with 3 egg yolks to a large bowl. Add a pinch of salt, some sugar, and we're going to briefly whisk it together, pop it over a bain-marie, and whisk for about 6 to 8 minutes or until it reaches 75 degrees Celsius, which means the eggs are cooked. Then I'm going to take it off the heat and whisk for another 6 to 8 minutes until a really stiff, stable foam has been formed. Then we're going to add that in 2 batches to our ice cream, fold it together to combine, and then repeat with the second, and then we have our finished ice cream base. Pour that into a greased unlined 9x13 brownie pan or a quarter sheet pan. Then we're going to top it with some crushed amaretti biscuits along with some frozen cherries that I've chopped up. Then we're going to place a piece of cling film onto the surface so that it doesn't get icy and freeze it until solid, at least 8 to 10 hours. Slice up some panettone and then use round cookie cutters to cut out lots of discs of the bread. Use the same cookie cutter to cut out the ice cream into discs and sandwich between 2 pieces of panettone. Place these back in the freezer for a couple of hours just until solid, and then dip in white chocolate magic gel. And that's how you make panettone ice cream sandwiches.